give them food? Aww. They said, thank you, Georgia. Get down. You're not gonna fall down. Just get down by yourself. You're a big girl now. Are you scared to fall down, or are you scared of the little birds? Scared of the little birds. Oh dear. Little birds, Georgia's scared of you. Why is Georgia scared of the little birds? They're not gonna hurt you. They're not like seagulls. Just like the one in the playground. Yeah, but they're seagulls. They're silly ones. That one's just very tiny. Look. See? It's so tiny. Oh. They're actually really pretty. I like them.
He doesn't even know how to get down.
No, they don't. They're so cute.
So they just don't know how to get down.
You don't know how to get down? You do. You think so? Yeah. Finish your food, please. She said tweet. I think she just did a pull.
Yeah, he did.
Oh dear. Aren't you lucky she did not pull on you? She pulled on the other side. Silly little bird.
Silly little bird.
I think maybe because she's full. Did you give her a lot of
Try to
food?
wiggle.
Did you give her a lot of food? Hmm?
Nope, I didn't.
No? Can you hold your food with 2 hands, please, your sandwich?
Oh my God.
Uh-huh. Do you like croissant? Yeah? Is it yummy?
He's gone.
Uh-huh.
Up here then. Try to find food. He's ready.
Huh?
His Eddie is going to say
Do you like feeding birds?
he just
Do you like feeding birds? What's that?
He just eat it off this side.
Oh dear.
He did. He just ate it. Oh, putting the ants is, I'm trying to eat it.
Mm-hmm.
I think the ants want some too.
It's beautiful here, Jaja. She's dancing, Jojo, for you. Oh, look. Oh.
The man yesterday, he was driving over the grass right now. Then he drives there.
Mm-hmm.
Then he goes there. Then he goes straight back here.
Mm-hmm.
Then he goes. They park there. Then he has to land.
Oh dear. Did he really do that? Oh.
He did last morning.
Last morning.
And I was just climbing up there. Then I saw him.
Mm. Why was he doing that?
I don't know. I was just standing there. Then I turned around and I saw him do that.
Oh, goodness me.
He was just walking there to that house.
That house.
Yeah.
Is that a house?
Yeah, it is. There's some people that.
That's a very big house.
But it's not a big house.
Look, they got flags.
But it's not a house though.
It's not a house.
It's
They call it a constitutional center.
Yeah, that's right. It's
Can you
called
say it?
House Constitution.
Constitutional
Constitutional
center.
Center.
Yeah.
Because that's why it's called a house.
That's why it's called a house.
Yep.
That's right.
Yep.
So why are we here?
We were eating.
We were eating, and what else are we doing here?
Waiting for Daddy.
Waiting for Daddy. Where's Daddy?
At the doctor.
At the doctor's. We've been here before. Do you remember?
And yes, morning,
Last morning.
that house right there.
Which house?
That one. Right there.
The one with the white one?
Yeah, that one right there.
The one with the white wall?
Yeah, that one right there.
Yep.
And we didn't saw it yesterday. So I think someone moved it there.
They moved the house there.
Yeah, so it wasn't there yesterday. So I think someone moved it there.
Someone moved that house there.
Yeah, but I saw that white and black at the top. But
Yep.
but yesterday that one was still on the ground. I saw it just all the way down to that ground over to their house, and it fell down. And it didn't fall. And it was like, and it fell to, and it fell to the window. It was so different, but it was like just it was like that. There go down, go. Oops, then it gets stuck. Wait, no, then you start and then it gets stuck again.
Oh dear.
Yeah, that's what the man. Here, he was driving again over here. He's going back forward, back forward, back forward,
Back forward, back
back
forward.
forward, back forward, back forward. Then he was going straight.
Really?
Just going straight, and he's going left.
It's going left.
He was just going. Then this came to right, and this came to
Left.
yes, again. Then it just go north. But I didn't do that, so oh, the bird's there.
Just stay there.
Then what happened is the little bird right there in the chair, he was pooing there.
Pooing.
It was
Silly little bird pooing on the chair. What if someone can sit on the little birdie's poo?
no,
That's not gonna be funny.
the foot, but he just pooed there.
Imagine you get a poo on your bum bum
Imagine
and your pants.
Imagine the bird just pooed on the grass like this.
Oh dear.
Imagine the bird pooed on the grass like this.
Oh dear. That's a bit silly. I'm cold. Are you cold?
Yeah.
It is cold, isn't it?
Yeah, we said to go in the car.
Car's a bit far, remember? We have to walk to come here because we can't find a parking around.
Ooh, I remember where the car is.
Do you?
Yeah, but I can't see it. It was right where we were. Oh, no.
It's up there, look.
Ah!
No, it's not gonna come near you. Stop. I got coffee there. Watch out for my coffee.